The State Cancer Society on Thursday held a meeting with Tata Memorial Hospital from Mumbai to discuss the collaboration between the state government and the hospital. Principal Secretary of Health Department Sampath Kumar, after the meeting, told reporters that now a lot of awareness on cancer has been built and many people are coming forward for diagnosis and treatment. He also pointed out that the 70-bedded cancer hospital in Shillong Civil Hospital is now overflowing and the government is looking to further increase the number of beds.
There's a lot of awareness has been built, so a lot of people are coming now. So they're coming early, In fact, though it was created for 70 beds, in fact, it's overflowing. We have a proposal to expand that hospital for more number of beds. In fact, we're discussing with our health minister, and a lot of work is happening around cancer. We also have discussed about how to actually increase the screening operations, especially for cervical cancer and breast cancer issues, because that also has been discussed here.
Meghalaya government has started training the doctors to ensure